Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys long hairstyle look for simple everyday wear, and it is so effortless and so amazing that you will be amazed to see how I did it. So starting off, I'm just gonna use the brushing spray where I'm just gonna make sure that my hair is not frizzy and also gets detangled easily with this particular solution. I just spray it all over my hair, and then with the help of a plastic comb, I'm just gonna detangle it for one last time before I start doing my hairstyle. Then with the help of the same plastic brush, I'm just gonna divide my hair into two different equal sections. It's very necessary to divide it into equal sections as it makes the hairstyle look much more neat, clean and sleek. If you do more hair in one side, the hairstyle might look very shabby and untidy. So two equal sections is a must. And then I'm gonna take one section and then place all my hair behind my ear. Then I'm just gonna divide it into three sections and start braiding it. Once I reach the end, I'm gonna take a rubber band and then secure it very well, because if you do it loosely, then the hair comes off. So it's very necessary that you secure it properly, and this is how it looks like. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the next side. Just brush your hair before so that you get rid of all the tangles, and then divide it into three sections and start braiding it into simple braid. Secure the end of the braid properly so that it doesn't come off, and then pinch your hair so that it can have a nice volumized braid look. Grab as many bobby pins as you like, because this hairstyle does need a lot of bobby pins. Then take one section and then rotate it into a circle, and then place the end of the ponytail underneath the braid and then secure it with the help of the bobby pin. To secure this particular circle that you made, you will need at least 3 to 4. So I am taking at least 4 bobby pins so that this circle doesn't come off. And I'm gonna take the next ponytail, and also with the help of the first circle that I created, I'm just gonna rotate it again in the same direction, and then place the end of the ponytail underneath the circle that I just created, and then secure it with the help of a bobby pin. I used at least 10 bobby pins to secure all the braids at place, and this will not come off for at least good 6 hours, and this is the complete look. This is how the hair looks from behind. And for the end touch up, I'm gonna take the same brushing spray, and then I'm gonna spray it on my hair, and with the help of the small toothbrush side, I'm just gonna nicely brush out my flyouts so that they don't make it look really shabby. And this is how my hair looks from the front side as well as my back side, and it looks like a princess style, and it is such an effortless hairstyle. I'm pretty sure you really liked it. Thank you very much for watching, and this is the complete look, guys. This is how amazing this hairstyle looks. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will come up with more new videos. Bye.